Hey, what's up? It's your Tech Bro Cholo here, and welcome back to where we take awesome out of the box. Now today we have a really packed unboxing, and I'm not kidding. The box this came with was really big. So we have no time to waste. Let's talk about the Lenovo Yoga 9i. The first thing that comes into my mind when I see a box this big is that it's gonna be a really fun unboxing, and Lenovo delivered. Inside the standard looking brown box, there are two smaller ones, and of course we're gonna start with the thinner one. And before we continue, I just want to say that this is a very premium laptop, so of course it's gonna come with some accessories. Inside that aforementioned thinner box, we have a carrying case. And just looking at this, you'd know you purchased something that's oozing with high-class material. It's made of a mix of felt fabric and genuine leather. What more can you ask for? Plus, we get a second sleeve in front for anything else that you want to carry around. And then we move to the bigger box, the main course. Unlike other laptop boxes we've opened, this one is a little bit more thick and less wide. And boy, does it look premium. You got the Yoga and Lenovo branding in some kind of silverish gold. And surrounding that is a print that kinda looks like the felt fabric of the carrying case. And it doesn't stop there. Below is a shiny silver that shines in different colors when light hits it. And just looking at this, you already know you're gonna get great colors with the display. This is really well done. It doesn't look cheap at all, and it really adds to the flavor. Needless to say, it's definitely a box I'll keep around. Actually, you know what guys? Scratch that. Keep your boxes, you need that for the warranty, and if you're ever planning to sell anything in the future. When you open up the box, you get the covered up laptop right away, but we're gonna skip that for now. Below that is a little paper window with surprise. Two smaller boxes again. The smaller of the two has half of the 65-watt charger neatly packed inside. With everything that we have so far, I'd be surprised if it wasn't. Now the bigger box has a lot more packing. We get a small pack with a tag to really drill in the fact that they've used real premium leather. And this feels really good to hold. I can't wait till we get to the laptop. Next up, we have a USB-C hub with a super speed USB port, HDMI, and VGA connections. Come to think of it, this is the first laptop I have ever unboxed that actually included one of these, so thanks Lenovo. Plus they didn't throw in some random USB-C hub. This thing has a colorway that matches everything. Of course we get the usual stuff, the warranty and the setup guide, and lastly the other half of the 65-watt charger. Now we can finally take a look at the Lenovo Yoga 9i. Okay, so straight up, for a 14-incher that's super slim, it's pretty heavy. But that's not a bad thing. It just means that premium materials were used. And with that being said, the front is covered with the aforementioned genuine leather, with the embossed Yoga logo and the embossed Lenovo logo. And man, does it look good. And feel good. And look good once again because no fingerprints. And before I gush too much, the aluminum they used for the rest of the laptop is aerospace grade as well. Moving on, let's see how far this Yoga can flex. Because Yoga is known for its flexing prowess and being able to bend over backwards. And just how does the slim version differ? Let's find out. Alright, you're good, and there we go. 180 degrees, not bad for the slim version. It may not get the signature Yoga 360, but it's the trade-off for a slim build. Though I don't really know anyone who actually uses the laptop flat on the table. But 2020 changed everything, so maybe this is the form factor of the future. The trackpad is beautiful and seamlessly blends into the lower chin below the keyboard. What actually separates it is a dotted, slightly textured finish on the other areas. 3 words: attention to detail. Am I right? Despite being very seamless, if you go past the border of the trackpad, the texture is obvious enough to tell, while not being too much or too rough. I also want to add that the trackpad is a GlassSense touchpad, which gave me one of the most delightful and best experiences ever on a laptop. Even clicking it gave me some good haptic feedback. Now from the bottom, we're going to the top, because we have an IR cam that makes logging in with Windows Hello super seamless and very easy. Now remember that this is a 14-inch notebook, so they made use of all of the space by putting some speakers on both sides of the keyboard. And if you're planning to use this for media, you're gonna be very happy because you get good stereo sound powered by Dolby Atmos.
You give all you have for the girl so much that you wind up empty. I fell hard for you, you fell hard for me, but I got to say I don't wanna make the same mistakes. I'm gonna I'll push you. Same charade until I let you in.
Alright, so Lenovo is also known for its workhorse ThinkPads, so they're masters of work comfort. And the same can be said about the keyboard experience on this notebook. You get really good travel with the chiclet keys, and they're very silent to boot. And of course, for the night owls out there, we have smart backlighting keys, which are great for the dark and also save battery. I found this especially helpful when I was writing down the bullet points on the notebook last night. For the ports, we have two USB-C Thunderbolt 4 ports on the left with a 3.5mm jack port. Hallelujah, you can use your wired earphones or headphones. On the right, we have the power button, a third Thunderbolt 4 port, and a switcher to manually turn off the camera for that extra layer of privacy and protection. And this is something we rarely even see on any devices at all. Now before we go to the display, I'd like to appreciate the design choices like the curves and the edges. All of it just makes it look so clean and so premium. And that carries on to the screen. We have barely any bezel, making the most of the 14-inch goodness. And anything you do on this will look so good with a 4K VESA 400 HDR for razor sharp clarity and Dolby Vision. And if you're a creative, you are simply going to love working on this thing. Now if you're a semi-creative normie like me, you're gonna enjoy your favorite K-pop videos, anime, and games on this for sure. One of the best experiences on a laptop. Now here's a sample, but taking a video of it doesn't really do it justice. It's beautiful, guys, trust me. But what cool things can you do with such a beautiful display? Straight up, we have the integrated Iris Xe graphics, so gaming-wise you can run titles like Valorant or CSGO. Really good looking Valorant and CSGO. You can use Photoshop and even make videos despite the integrated graphics. Of course, that's thanks to the whopping 16GB of LPDDR4X RAM and 1TB of SSD storage. Not to mention the Intel Core i7-1185G7 that's Intel Evo certified. Like I've said before, this certification makes this a cut above the rest in terms of optimization. This means it runs faster and better than notebooks with the same exact specs but with no certification. But of course, we're gonna have to put it through our usual tests to see just how good it is. And to top things off, we have Wi-Fi 6 for consistent connections. Now for the battery life, it's powered by a 60Wh battery. And to add to that, we have intelligent cooling that adjusts to your tasks, ensuring longer battery life. And when you need to charge up, we have smarter dual charging to get the juice up in no time at all. So there you have it. It's definitely a laptop for creatives, but it's perfect as a workhorse laptop as well. All that while staying stylish, sleek, but powerful. And if you're out looking for a 14-incher to be your keeper, this one might just be the one. And you can grab one right now for 99,995 pesos. Don't forget to check out the reviews on this and many other laptops on Unbox PH. Also, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. That's right, guys, subscribe because when we hit 250,000 subs, we're gonna be giving away a smartphone, so watch out for that. Once again, I'm your Tech Pro Cholo, and I'll see you guys in the next one.